we are prepping some chicken burgers. We're going to do a couple different styles, so follow along and get ready for a world of chicken burgers.
Okay, so we are going to start by cooking our chicken burgers in the frying pan or oven, however you wish to cook chicken burgers. These are pre-cooked, so you don't got to worry about any food poisoning. Give them a flip so that you cook them evenly and they're not frozen on the inside.
Okay, we have our selection of buns. We have Kaiser buns, dinner buns, and original, I don't even know what these are, crostini buns. We got 2 types of cheeses, our Swiss and a Mexican dairy-free blend. I'm excited for that. The ham for the chicken Cordon Bleu burgers. I just got Black Forest because it was on sale. If you want and be crazy, you could do alfalfa. Got some lettuce, pickles, mayo, hot sauce if you're super crazy, and sriracha for sriracha mayo. Now, let's assemble.
Okay, next I am going to be chopping up some pickles because I love pickles and I'm putting a lot on my burger. So if you're like me, cut up lots. Next, we're gonna melt some Swiss cheese on the burgers. You can do this for both types of burgers, or if you want, you could just do it for the chicken Cordon Bleu burgers, but I want the cheese on all of them. Next, we're going to take those off the frying pan because it is time to serve, baby. Look at how amazing that cheese melted. Look at the bubbles. I cannot. Okay, now we're gonna throw some ham on the chicken Cordon Bleu burgers, just right on top of the cheese. And then I'm putting some dairy-free cheese on the pickle burger, but you can do whatever cheese you want. Oh, doesn't that look good? Also, I toasted my buns. I would recommend doing that. It just gives it a better restaurant taste. Now, I'm putting some sriracha and mayo for my pickle burger. And I'm gonna mix it together on the bun because I don't feel like dirtying a bowl. So that worked pretty easily. Now I'm just putting a nice big chunk of lettuce, my chicken burger with the cheese, a lot of pickles, like a lot of pickles. Honestly, I could have used more. Now I'm gonna top that up with some mayo and sriracha. Again, you could pre-mix it, but I didn't want to. Now, just put the top bun on, and there you have it. We have 2 massive burgers ready to be eaten. And can you believe I almost polished off both of them? Yeah, I know, I was in food pain for a while after that. But I highly recommend these 2 burgers. They were so delicious. And if you guys make them, make sure you tag me. Food Friday with Samy Bee. I would love to see if you make these. I loved the chicken Cordon Bleu and the pickles. I'm drooling actually just watching this video. I hope you enjoyed.